Hello friends, my name is Nigam Tarange and today's we are discussing about the polymorphism. What is the polymorphism and why it is used in Java? It is the important feature of OOPS concept. Concept. Polymorphism is derived by two Greek words, that is poly means many and morphs means forms. Morph means form is a concept by which um, we can perform a single function in a different ways. Single function in a different ways. Function in a different ways. For example, a single message can be displayed with the different types. Let's see another one example. A person at the same time can a person at the same time can uh, can can be different characters, like as a father, as a husband, as a employee, as an employee. This single person can perform a different function, is known as polymorphism. Mm, it is mm, in other words polymorphism in other words uh, we can perform a single action in a different ways. There are two types of polymorphism. First one is a compile time polymorphism and second is a runtime polymorphism. The polymorphism is based on a overriding method and overloading method. Let's see the difference of different types of polymorphism. First one is a compile time polymorphism. It is also known as static polymorphism. Uh, it is based on the overloading method. What is the overloading method? Um, what is overloading method? Overloading when uh, there are multiple functions with same name but different parameters, then this function is known as overloading. Mm, then this function is known as overloading. If you overload a static methods in a Java, it is the best example of a compile time polymorphism. The object is bound uh, with their function at the object is bound with their function at the compile time. Then the compile time polymorphism is compile time polymorphism is occurred. Last one is a runtime polymorphism. It is based on the overriding method. What is the overriding method? Mm, what is the overriding method? The overriding uh, there is the same name of method function members with the same parameters, but the uh, parent class parent class reference variable is derived by the child class object. Then this is known as runtime polymorphism. uh, Runtime polymorphism. Mm, what is the overriding? overriding Overriding is a method in which different function same function in a child class and parent class uh, with the same parameters. That is all about polymorphism. Thank you.